Okay, so in this study, researchers used word and phrase extraction. So what they used was an open source Python-based language analysis infrastructure. And basically what this does is it tells you the relative frequency of words, which they called unigrams, and two-word phrases, which they called bigrams. And with this, they retained as variables the 5,000 words and phrases that were used by at least 20% of the sample across their 500,000 Facebook statuses. And researchers also used LDA, and I had mentioned this before, but it's basically a statistical topic modeling. And just a simple definition for it is LDA looks at the document to determine a set of topics that are likely to have generated that collection of words. So if a document uses certain words that are contained in a topic, you could say that the document is about that topic. And then, so they used that, and after the modeling, the researchers derived the use of 200 topics for every user in the sample, and then this summarized their language use, basically. And another thing that they used was meta feature extraction, so they looked at the unigrams that participants used per year, the average length of posts in unigrams, and the length of unigrams. Researchers also looked at dictionary extraction. So what they did was they matched extracted word frequencies against LIWC. And what this is it provides dictionaries widely used in psychological research. And they matched the extracted word frequencies against these dictionaries to determine the user's relative frequency use of the 73 dictionaries that are provided. They also looked at language associations. So they asked the question, is a language feature associated with future depression status? And what researchers stated in their study was to determine if a language feature was associated with future depression status, we individually tested it as a predictor in an in-sample linear regression model controlling the demographic characteristics and report its standardized regression coefficient with the associated significance.